I'm Lee, and this week I need to make a hook that will hold a bucket. So what I need to do is I need to be able to hold the bucket by the handle at the top, so I have a piece of 1/2 inch square bar, which is pretty overkill for this project, but that's what I have. And I'm just going to kind of make a hook that comes up and grabs on either side of the handle, just so you can still kind of get your hand in there to pick this thing up, because it's going to be full of water. And I'm going to start by laying out my split, and I'm not going to do anything fancy. I'm just going to guess it. Sure, I'll be close enough. Okay, it's time to start bending this around. Just gonna guess, say about right there. And the other side. Need to be about 3 1/4. It's probably going to be real close by the time I tap that open. Fuzz more. Perfect. I want this to be unique, so I'm going to fold this down right here. I guess a little bit. It's not bad. That's a little long. I gotta change sides. And I'm gonna straighten these up just a little bit. And I will fuller them on this little piece of bar I have. perfect. All right, I need to hit this with a ball punch. So I'm going to use this fella here to help me out a little bit. I don't need these perfect. I have this done, and this is definitely a strange one. I wanted to put in these two little divots up here just so the handle sits inside of it. There's enough room for the handle, the plastic handle, to fit in between these two. And I just wanted something unique. Now, is it super practical? I don't know, but it's better than just a regular shepherd's hook. And it fits the bucket, if I can show that. The bucket slides right there into the top, and it balances on there. And then I have where I knocked in the two divots with the ball punch, and then I drilled those out just to fit a 2-inch exterior screw down in there. This thing is going to get painted since it's going to be outside all the time. But it's going to work out perfect for what I got going on. This is always going to have water in it, so it's going to have weight to sit down on here. If it does fall off, most likely it's going to fall backwards and just hit the crook of this. And it's bent slightly downward right here, so it's going to naturally want to follow into here. But it's just something unique. Keep the ideas fresh. Well, I hope you enjoyed this week's project. It's a project that I need for another project that doesn't really have to do with blacksmithing. But I'll see you next week. Thanks for watching.